Hey there everyone, I'm Asur Bachchan and now you're watching I Love PowerPoint. So let's get started and now we'll make a PowerPoint transition. For this transition is the animation between two slides. When a slide exits and another slide opens, between that an animation occurs which makes it look beautiful. So here I'm going to show you an example transition. Well, these are the system transitions that are provided by the PowerPoint, but we can make our own also. uh, I'm going to view this so that you can have a look. Actually, this is the slide 1 and here is the transition. This one is the slide 2. So we're going to make a transition like this now, and let's get started with a blank template. Now we are gonna add a box with the same size as that of the slide, and then change the outline to none. Copy this box 3 times, so that there are 4 copies, and give every box a separate color so that they can be identified easily and it will be good. Now check their lengths if they are proper or not. This is the slide and we have to check this would come to the half of the slide, so this might be the 3/4 and this is 1/4. Okay, now take everything to up so that they fit the slide, and yeah, so let's just preview it is correct or not. So of course it's correct now, and we need to give them the animations now for entering into the slide. We'll give them a fly in animation and change the effect option to from left. Let's open the animation pane and play all. So now see it's not so good looking, it's so laggy, and it's also so fast, so change that to 1 second so that it will not be too fast and not too slow. Do this for every animation, and delay each animation by 1 second from the before one. Okay now, but we have not yet still achieved our goal. We need to give it a smooth animation like you might have seen in the After Effects, so we can do that in the PowerPoint also. Let's give it a smooth end. Well, entrances always need a smooth end, and exits always need a smooth start. So as it is an entrance type animation, so let's give it a smooth end. Now let's see. You can see it's so awesome. I mean, from my point of view, this transition came into the slide, but it also needs to exit. So let's duplicate this side and remove all the animations. Now we need to give them exit animation. We need to give them the exit, so here is the fly out, and change them to right. Also delay every animation by 1 second, because I mean not delay, but change their length to 1 second so that they remain uniform, and again delay everything by 1 second. And give these animations a smooth start, as I had said before. So let's play it. Oh wow, it's so good now. If you think the background isn't So good. So we can change the background to the color of the last box, so that it just looks like the transition went, but we are on the same slide. So let's go format the background and change the color to black. I mean what's on the last slide. Now take everything again to top till it matches the slide. Now it's good. So to check if your animation is correct, we can add some text. So here I have inputted a sample text. So whatever content you have to do, you need to paste it back so that it just remains before the boxes. This needs to be done because if you put them after the boxes, they will not look good, and everyone will think this is not a transition, because okay, I'm showing you what will happen if you put it upwards. Okay, so this is the problem. So now we need to take it backwards. If you take it back, now you can see that the slide is just covered, and here also we can add a sample text. Increase its font size and take it here. Again send it to back. So let's test our animation. Oh, I think the background was black, that's why the text could not be seen properly. I think the text should be white. Change its color to any other color than black so that we can know that it's working, and again send it to back. So now again let's test our transition. Of course, now our animation is complete. You can do as I had done, or you can even improve as per your desires. And the animation we wanted to do is complete. You can add them in your presentations to make them more awesome, amazing, and look beautiful. So now the last step is to start with previous, so that you don't need to double click, I mean to click 2 times, so that it will come. If you click 1 time after the slide, this animation will come and the slide will come automatically. So now it's done. Thank you. If you think this video is good, then please like this video and comment I mean what flaws I have, so I can improve. Actually this is my first video, so and even my voice is not so good. I'm not able to speak properly, but I want feedback from you all so that I can improve myself. And please subscribe my channel so that I can feel motivated. Thank you.